Today's video is sponsored by Uoni, and I want to share with you about their super cool V98 Plus robot vacuum cleaner. It also comes with a self-emptying dustbin, and I can start vacuuming my house from anywhere with a touch of the button on their easy-to-use app. I am really impressed by the cleaning power of this thing, and I love that it doesn't run randomly around the room. It goes in a smart Z-shape cleaning pattern, so it gets maximum floor coverage and it cleans really efficiently. It also has a easy to use mop attachment, and I can set up no mop zones so it won't mop the carpet. And with the touch of a button, I can send it back to its docking station to empty out its dust into the dustbin and recharge. The dustbin holds up to 4 weeks worth of cleaning. I'm talking dust, pet hair, debris. This is saving me so much time. It cleans my house while I'm out working on furniture. I know you guys are going to love it too, so check out my link in the description box to get your own.